flames, a fire inside. They can steal the land, they can sell the sky, but thoughts move faster than laws that lie. They redraw the maps, they erase the past, yet minds break through outlast. Rivers dry up, the soil turns black, poisoned earth, no turning back. Doubt takes root, yet truth still breathes. No law can chain what reason weaves. They can steal the land, they can sell the sky, but thoughts move faster than laws that lie. They redraw the maps, they erase the past, yet minds break through outlast. No one rules a mind that dares, no walls enclose what thought declares. Freedom fades when we refuse responsibility.